Hey, Noah here. Before we begin, I need to give you a very important warning. Beware of counterfeit products. Unfortunately, there are many websites selling fake versions of this product. These imitations are not only ineffective, but could even be dangerous. To help you, I've placed the official website link in the description below. If you decide to try it, make sure to buy only from there to guarantee quality and authenticity. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt the frustration of not being able to hear clearly, that constant ringing in your ears that never seems to stop? Or maybe you've noticed yourself asking people to repeat what they just said all the time. If this sounds familiar, I understand what you're going through. Hearing loss can be devastating. It's not just about hearing less, it's about feeling left out of conversations, missing important moments with your loved ones, and slowly withdrawing from the life you once enjoyed. But the good news is there's a natural solution for this. Introducing EchoXen, an innovative supplement designed to restore your hearing and improve ear health. EchoXen isn't a medication, nor is it a hearing aid. It's a 100% natural supplement formulated with powerful ingredients that nourish the auditory system, reduce inflammation, improve circulation in the ears, and even help eliminate that annoying ringing sound that can drive you crazy. And the best part? It has no side effects, as it's made with only the highest quality natural ingredients, free from artificial substances. Now imagine how your life would change if you could hear clearly again, if you could enjoy conversations without struggling, if that irritating sound that has been following you for months or even years simply disappeared. This is not just a distant dream. With EchoXen, thousands of people are already reclaiming the joy of hearing well and living better. But I need to emphasize this. Don't take risks by buying from random websites. Only the official website guarantees that you'll receive the genuine product. I've placed the link in the description for your convenience. If you're serious about improving your hearing and quality of life, don't wait. The time to act is now. Click the link and discover how EchoXen can transform your life. See you in the next video. Take care.